Good morning. It's been a while, but I'll get into that at a later date why I haven't really been doing videos. Excuse the background mess. That's part of the reason why I haven't been doing videos. But I'm about to go to the post office, mail off some stuff that I made for a friend's granddaughter. And I'll show you guys real quick what I made. Made these headbands. These cute little tie around the head headbands. They're reversible. I made a pair of leggings. I made 3 reversible bibs, and they're so cute. You can see there, and then if you want to wear it on the other side, that one. If you want to wear it on the other side. And then I like this one a lot. It's red and blue. That. And that's the other side. And then I made a bunch of onesies. And I'll show y'all these real quick. I'm trying to do this with one hand, y'all. But did that one. That one. And I saw this on someone else's YouTube, and I did it myself. That one. That one. And this one. So I'm gonna package this stuff up and be off to the post office. Back home, I went to post office, Starbucks, walked around the mall for a little bit, and Hobby Lobby. And out of all those places, I got me maple pecan muffin, which is good from Starbucks. Good tasting. Not the healthiest, but hey, you gotta treat yourself sometimes. I also got me grande cafe latte. And but my daughter, of course, always gets to spend my money. So she got jeans, ice cream, Starbucks, you know. But I'm back home now. Gonna work on some projects. My cousin is having a baby, and this is my other cousin's hat that he designed. Love it. Wear it all the time. Gotta represent family. And but I'm gonna work on these things for my cousin's baby, so I can get that sent out within the next week. And I guess I'll show you guys one or two of the stuff. I'll show you what I've made so far for her. So far I got these, and I'll give a better angle. One sec. Alright, so this is what I have so far. I made 2 of these bandana bibs. Batman, Spider-Man. I think they're so cute. I have Star Wars burp cloth. So it's Star Wars on front, and the terry on the back. Same thing with the bandanas. And then I have these onesies that I've done. So I did that one, little baby bear. I did this one, bear cub. This one that says little man, which I think all this stuff is so cute. And then this one, I'm liking it, but I just wish it came out better. The Black Panther, I'd used, instead of using the HTV, I used the print and cut, and I'm just not thrilled with how the print and cut came out. But for newborn, it's cute. So I did a little Black Panther, and it says in training. So I'm going to be working on some more stuff so I can get those sent out to her this week. I have some other stuff, and let me just grab it real quick that I've done in the past. And these may not necessarily for her, but I have a lot of these baby burp cloths that I've made. Hopefully one day my kids will make me a grandmother. My older kids will make me a grandmother, so then I can utilize this stuff. But that's another Star Wars one. I have this one that I made, and it's like 2 of each. So I have this one, the green feathers, and then little pink anchors. That's those. And then I have these that I've made, and like I said, they're all burp cloths. I need to do some more sewing, get back here and sew some more stuff up. I got this one, and like I said, once again, I made 2 of each. That one, and then this one. And I got this one. And then this one. So one day my grandbabies, because my baby making days are over. Like I'm just ready to be grandma already. So put these up, and I will be back in a sec.